Welcome to this Dell Data Domain tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a bonded interface for link failover. Let's get started. What is link failover? Link failover is a network redundancy mechanism that ensures continuous network connectivity. If one network link fails, the traffic is automatically redirected to another link, minimizing the downtime and maintaining data flow. First, log into your Dell Data Domain system using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Hardware tab, then select Ethernet and Interfaces. In the Interfaces table, deactivate the physical interfaces that should be bonded by setting the Enabled column to No. Now click Create and select Virtual Interface. Specify a name. The usual naming convention is to have a unique ID paired with the VLAN and IP alias like veth 56.399 and so on. In the bonding type drop-down list, select Failover. Select the interfaces you want to add to the failover configuration. Click Primary if you want to choose which interface should be the primary one. Click Next to continue. Note that virtual aggregate interfaces can be used for failover. The Create Virtual Interface dialog box appears. Enter an IP address or enter 0 to don't specify an IP address. Enter a net mask or prefix if an IP address was specified. Skip the speed and duplex options as they are ignored for bonding. Specify the MTU setting. Optionally, select Dynamic DNS Registration option. Note, this option disables DHCP for this interface. Then click Next. The Configure Interface Settings summary page appears. The values listed reflect the new system and interface state. Click Finish and OK to complete the interface creation. And that's it! You've successfully created a bonded interface for link failover. For further information, please refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 209434, linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.